Here we have a gorgeous, like new mint condition black Bugari gold plus piano accordion with low, middle, high. Has 41 keys on the right hand, 120 buttons on the left hand. It features a double tone chamber. And so this instrument is absolutely stunning from all the appearances, you can tell. Also has Sennheiser mics built in. What we have here is no detail is missed on this instrument. They have the markings for the reed combinations on the top, as well as on the upper part here. So as a player, you can view it from two different angles. And although it's a double tone chamber accordion, it has a lot of volume that can come out of this instrument because of the design that Bugari has. So let's get right into the sounds of it. You have the bassoon. You have the bandoneon. You have one middle and one low outside of the chamber. So you can hear the difference between the inside the chamber and outside. You have two middles and a low. You have the organ switch with the low and the piccolo. You have the harmonium with the high, middle, and low, piccolo, middle, and bassoon. You have the master, which is also available in a palm switch. You also have the violin and the clarinet. And the clarinet out of the chamber. Musette with two mids and a high. The oboe with a middle and a high. And then out of the chamber. And then the piccolo. Okay, and over here on the left hand, you have obviously the full 120 basses, and you have 9 different registers to choose from. So you have all of these different tonal variations. great response through all of the different switches on this instrument. And this is an appropriate instrument for so many different styles of music, that being a nice little waltz.